Before we officially start, first actually it's really our great pleasure and honor to have you here. As a technology brand, education technology providers, we do believe we can do beyond hardware, software.
We're actually going to take a photo and we'll print it out. So any volunteers we can?
How many people here have already heard or seen 𝗦𝗵𝗿𝗂𝗁𝗶 before?
From average 58 social mention in both simulation forums, BenQ is the #1 mentioned brand.
In esports, there are different game titles, so it's like just like a football. These two both are the important projects under Vision 2030.
Okay, so when you think of BenQ Core, BenQ RP series, what comes to your mind? The powerful SoC, the best-in-class touch technology, and the most comprehensive, we have the classroom care solutions.
So what's the biggest problem with students? They fall asleep.
Sitting in one place.
Fall asleep, they chat with other students. They would totally just like not paying attention.
AI is a boom, no problem. AI is a future, no problem. It is too early to comment on AI at the moment. We all are talking about AI. We have faced so many problems also.
We will introduce the STEAM development at RenI Junior High School and how our STEAM Innovation Center supports students in becoming creative, globally minded and future-ready learners.
Thanks to our teachers, our principal at our school, and that we had the chance to do something like improve our technology skills.
Yeah, you did a great job.